Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about an e-commerce company that was once hyped up as the Amazon of Africa. Name Jumia, ticker JMIA. Now, Jumia came public in April 2019 with a bunch of hype. I mean, we had a $14.50 IPO price. Everybody was saying Amazon of Africa, buy, 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 buy. The stock ran all the way up to $50 in a matter of days. And ever since, the entire growth story and stock price have collapsed. Today, we're trading below $10 prices. But there's reason to believe that Jumia is finally getting its act together, and that this company in 2021, 2022 will finally turn into what it was supposed to be from the beginning, the Amazon of Africa. As that happens, beaten up Jumia stock could stage an enormous turnaround. Here's a deeper look. Africa is widely considered the last frontier of the global digital revolution. Right, on every other continent across the globe except for Antarctica, internet penetration rates are above 60%. In North America and Europe, they're up at 90%. But in Africa, you have a 40% internet penetration rate, so there's tons of room for growth. And insiders, analysts, investors have long seen Africa, that whole digitization story, not as a matter of if, but a matter of when. Simply because the internet makes life better, and as soon as Africa learns that, as soon as African consumers get onto that, they're not gonna go back. The big problem, though, was that there was no catalyst sparking African consumers and businesses onto the internet. The old ways were working just fine. Until 2020, until COVID-19. And then the world shut down, the physical economy shut down, things were forced to close, people were forced to go online, forced to adopt the internet. And guess what? They've done just that. Research from McKinsey shows that African consumers and businesses are rapidly increasing their uptake and adoption of internet services, of internet products, of buying and selling online, of e-payments. And now, for the first time ever, we are finally starting to see Africa's digital economy come to life. Now, if COVID-19 started Africa's digital economic revolution, then 5G will sustain it. You have to understand, there are two ways to beam internet to people. One, wired, two, wireless. The wired route is very expensive, very labor intensive. You gotta dig up the ground, lay down big fiber optic cables. It's just not a scalable or affordable way for African governments and telecommunications companies to get internet to the people. But wireless is. It's just a couple base stations and antennas, and then you beam the signal, wireless signal, to consumers. So the future of Africa's internet connectivity is wireless, and 5G is such a huge jump in wireless connectivity that Africa will be able to leverage 5G wireless to leapfrog the entire continent into the modern era of high-speed, seamless internet connectivity. That's why many African countries, from Nigeria to Kenya to South Africa, are experimenting with 5G deployment today, right now. And as these initiatives and efforts gain traction over the next several years, Africa is going to go from the Stone Age to the modern age, and there's going to be tremendous growth opportunities for companies like Jumia. Now, of course, as Africa's digital economy booms, as the e-commerce space booms, it's going to attract a lot of competitors. Amazon's going to come in, Alibaba's going to come in, maybe JD comes in. But none of those companies are Africa first, and Jumia is. And by being Africa first, Jumia has an innate understanding of the local marketplace dynamics which run Africa's commerce. Right? Selling in Africa is way different than selling in North America or selling in China. The dynamics are just way different. The community is different. The culture is different. The way people go about things, it's different. And because it's different, Jumia has a leg up on everybody else on the outside looking in. And as the inside guy, as the one who's on the ground, ground doing the job today, Jumia projects, truly does project, to be the leader, the Amazon of this space in the next 5 to 10 years. So how high can Jumia stock go? Well, Jumia is a $650 million company today. Amazon's at a $1.5 trillion market cap. Alibaba is up around $780 billion. Now I get Africa isn't Asia, it's not North America, but Africa still accounts for, on a GDP basis, is about 8% the size of Asia. And so if you apply that 8% to, Alibaba's $780 billion market cap, you're talking a $60 billion valuation, even half that, a $30 billion valuation. Jumia's down at $650 million. The upside here is truly enormous. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Plays Quick Picks. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, or if you like to read, come over and visit us at investorplays.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.